Product item 1.
So, Mr. You are there for any mention?
Fine.
Yes, you are appearing here in this matter.
My lord, on behalf of Union of India.
So, Behra, additional study.
And
Your full name, sir?
R. Rakesh Behra.
Rakesh Behra. So, R. Behra, additional, sorry, you are CGC.
CGC.
CGC for the petitioner. Yes, Mr. Behra, you refer to the earlier orders?
My lord.
Yes.
My lord, I had sought for instructions for specific.
No, you would seeking instruction and adjourning a matter is not a prerogative of the in a petitioner in a disposed of matter.
Right.
You can't track this proceeding like this.
My lord,
You must understand something you must do which is known to law.
my lord.
So you please refer to the order.
My lord.
Then you can appreciate why I am saying you.
My lord.
In the order, you can look at the order. Order number 4 dated for 2055, IA 9037 of 23.
Mr. Tripathi, kindly take your.
My lord, in the judgment, my lord. In the judgment.
No. I'm not asking you the judgment. Look at the order in IA 9037 to 25/4/25. You have not read it, then it is better you say that I have not read, so you can read now.
Well, I have gone
Because
through
this is a special bench constituted for this purpose. We have taken this, I think this is for the fourth time. Fourth time.
23/25 order, my lord, last paragraph 3. Since they have filed this petition, instruction should have been given.
Yes, 25/4. Can you look at the order?
Well, admittedly, my lord, there has been some.
So kindly, are you, if you want, I can read it
No,
for you.
my lord, I'm
Wonderful
going
to read it.
No, man, I'm going to the
Look at page paragraph 2.
paragraph 2. The IA has been filed by the appellants, petitioners for correction of a date mentioned in the judgment in paragraph 10, page 18, captioned as conclusion. Since the respondent is stated to have retired from service in the month of March 2017, his pensionary benefits shall be revised and refixed accordingly. It is submitted by the learned DSJ for the petition appellant that the date should be 7/7. In response to the learned senior counsel appearing for the opposite party, respondent in the disposed of writ appeal submits that he has filed objection to the IA enclosing the order dated 23/2017 marked as Annexure D, passed by the DIG Group Center CRPF Allahabad, rejecting the prayer of the opposite party for VRS. It is also submitted that the order dated 7/7/2010 referred to by the learned DSJ for the petition appellant has been quashed by the Allahabad High Court. The learned DSJ submits that since there is a change in the learned advocate who had appeared for the appellants, he is not having copy of the objection. The instruction.
That is procedural. So from paragraph 2 and 3, could you comprehend anything?
My lord.
Yes. Then kindly look at the order dated 3rd of May 2025. Paragraph 2.
Of the order date, my lord.
Next order number 5. Dated 3/5/2025.
My lord. The learned DSJ along with learned CGC appear in VC and and 4 of the said order. It is submitted that he is yet to obtain instruction and may be accommodated further. The learned 2025.
Last thing I also the matter long 6 reports. I say I need the year 2023.
Well, the instructions.
Taking take the specific of the change of counsel, it should not be actually or any I mean any petitioner, much like the Union of India, because
What is your instruction?
Instructions have been received in the meantime, my lord. My lord, there has been some confusion regarding the modification sought for in the IE application, my lord.
So don't press it. Press it. Don't press it.
But I mean, the clients are confused.
No, I'm
So,
just clarifying, my lord, just a minute. I'm just, learned friend is clear. Your instruction which was received from the CRPF, last occasion I read my lord to take instruction. That instruction they have received, the specific instruction they have, the read petition number 18343 of 2007 filed by the respondent, the NCJ Mahapatra is still pending before the Honorable High Court. But the further dismissal of order dated 7/7/2010 has been quashed by the Honorable High Court of Allahabad. That means after 2010, there is a read petition which is pending. There, what the instruction showing. So let
no,
my
let us please hope. I mean, don't think that they will be confused. So
no.
you are indirectly saying not may not be in so many words what Mr. Tripathi has submitted. So let us stop it there. So this process of filing a petition, forgetting it, change of lawyer, change of counsel. Then interestingly, in fact, that recording of order has nothing to do with as far as the direction part is concerned.
Government lordship knows it.
I could have observed that day that it has nothing to do with the operative portion of the order, mentioning of that date as far as implementation of the order is concerned. You are inviting that observation. Today we have been sitting for the fourth time. Let us close it there.
This is our instruction.
At best, I was thinking that when you said quashed, so I thought that you went to the Supreme Court in SLP and the Allahabad High Court order has been quashed. But you are saying that yes.
I am hoping so. But after receiving the instruction, because they are saying that 18343 of 2017 is pending. That's why.
Whatever. DSC, but ultimately, even if it is pending, I mean, Mr. Learned Senior Counsel is wrong. Still, it doesn't make any difference. It would have been easier for you to argue the matter in the sense that it no more survives for the IA, no more survives.
Yeah, only one point we have that because he is superintendent in 2010. Only point.
Whatever, sir.
Nothing is there.
If you want to calculate that date also, you do it because that is not the judgment doesn't hinge upon that. Judgment is saying that you can recalculate and you want to shift this date. So you are not yourself sure that which is the date.
No, we are sure that
You have been taking time and you are not unable to know that your clients are not sure. I mean, your clients are not sure.
But they are saying that 2010 is the date of superintendent.
Sorry. Yes, Mr.
There is no error, man. There is no error. The dates has to be corrected.
According to us, there is an error because superintendent date is 2010, not 70.
2010 you calculate? Let him be agreed by that.
That was calculated.
I don't think if you calculate
we are calculating till 2010. We are not disputing. Because 2010 is
the order is already quashed. I have given my order the division.
That is the confusion.
On their order.
Also confusion.
The confusion.
2010 there is no dispute at all.
Mr. Padhi, look at the Allahabad High Court website. All three of you, your two associates will not be confused. When you said that you are not sure what happened in Allahabad High Court.
That is, Allahabad High Court read appeal number is arising out the WPC number.
Their order page 33. Can you see what page 33?
After quashed, whether read appeal pending, SLP pending, those things, is it of any... You are yet to deny that it has been quashed. You are saying the read appeal has been filed against a single bench order. Anyway, leave it there. Mr. P.K. Padhi, DSJ, along with Mr. Behra, Rakesh Behra, PC and Deepak Prachayat, CGC.
No, only Rakesh Behra is there.
Opposite party lekhibe. The appellant you election that opposite party.
Mr. Guchait is in contempt, not in detail.
Petitioner opposite party appellant dash petitioner. Nale petitioner dash appellant karantu opposite party dash respondent. IA 9037 of 2023. The IA has been filed by the appellants with the following prayer. এটা কোড করে দেবেন। Then paragraph 1 of the order dated 25/4/25. 1, 2, यहाँ पर लिखिए as prayed for by the learned DSGI, the matter was adjourned on 25/4/2025. So Tripathi just mark the dates 25/4/2025, 3/5/2025 to enable him to obtain instruction. By order dated 3/5/2025, it was specifically observed that it is expected, quote kar debe, it is expected that since the petition is moved by the appellants, the matter long since disposed of, the instructions shall be provided by the next stage. Today, when the matter is taken up for the third occasion, this is the third or fourth occasion? The third occasion. The learned DSGI upon instruction submits that the date of superannuation, he has no further instruction as sought for. The learned senior counsel, Mr. Tripathi, submits that the order of the by judgment dated. What is that, Allahabad High Court?
That is judgment dated.
Judgment dated.
But judgment dated.
Copy achi.
Yes, I'm giving annexure A, page 6.
Achha. The learned senior counsel refers to the annexure to the annexure A to the objection.
Special appeal number 1391 of 2003.
This judgment of the Allahabad High Court, division bench, in special appeal number 1391 of 2010,
Well,
into bracket dekhi pura likhi Narayan Chandra Mahapatra versus IG and so and so, dated 31/8/2010. Paragraph 15 and para 15, 16 and 17 of the said order are reproduced here. Judgment order please pass show it. Order. What is answer B, Mr. Tripathi?
that is read appeal number. Read appeal number 12194 of 2011.
They are writing special appeal. Yes.
The first was the division bench. Where the division bench was the single bench allowed the read appeal. Thereafter, fresh read application was filed because the order was not complied with. That is annexure B, page 30. That was disposed of on 23.
The order judgment dated 31/8/2010 was not completed.
Yes. That's a manner he approached. Test writ application, that is read up in A.
Number of 1 to 194 of the complete together. That's right.
Yes. That read application. Yes.
Yes, we. With application.
194 of against that single bench order matter, they again went to read appeal. That is Annexure C.
Judgment dated, the order dated 23/5/2006 passed in the was managed by the appellate authorities by filing
Special appeal. Special appeal. 665 of 2016. No.
And,
Yes, very good.
it is better that page 12, the last paragraph.
Yeah, exactly in the High Court order, we were giving you enough time because that is the only thing you have been saying that you don't have instruction regarding this judgments and orders of the
That was disposed of on 27/10/2016, page 24.
The operative portion of the order dated 27/10/2016 will say it appeal by the division bench. Page 24 is not exclude that special appeal that will be disposed of.
And
we are satisfied that even after giving sufficient opportunity, the petitioners appellates have not anything, not anything before this one. Regarding the applicability of the aforesaid orders of the inapplicability of the orders of the High Court by the division bench. The order passed by the signatories confirmed by the bench. Right, on behalf of the appellate petitioners, is devoid of legal and the same specifics.
But Mr. DSJ,
Yes, madam.
I'm tempted to say we are grateful to us this opportunity to sit 4 times.
Definitely.
But
Otherwise,
in this case,
otherwise you would not have got this opportunity.
Because today the other cases have been there is a new notification, standing order. So whatever has been urgent, so those matters are to be listed before the, regular budget. So anyone waiting or thinking that why the matters were not listed, actually they are supposed to be listed, but the contemporary order called last order ta dekhibe. Any judicial order tagging the content, because content roster has been almost 6 months, it has been changed. It has to go to the bench, assigned bench.
Well,
Connecting matter
The
is
content
committed.
CONTC 9464 of 2023. The petition was listed along with Writ Appeal 601 of 2021. Disposed of Writ Appeal disposed of by judgment dated 3/2/20. Stop. Apparently, since IA so and so was filed by the appellant petitioners in the disposed of Writ Appeal, the contempt being tagged to the Writ Appeal was listed before this page. The IA has been dismissed today. The contempt shall be listed before the assigned bench. They is free to do the needful.
Lovely.
which was stayed earlier for selection and appointment.
You ask your learned junior to file a memo.
I am filing it, my lord.
Okay.
Let it be listed tomorrow so that the state will.
Tomorrow this bench may not function. So after vacation, put a
No,
date.
in the vacation, your lordship may direct may be listed because I have applied for stay. Because
Orissa.
again, they have issued an advertisement for appointment of contractual thing without appointing the petitioner.
So you can liberty to mention liberty to move the. It is submitted by the learned counsel. So should a list I cannot pass a order.
That is what
the last date came out.
no, the contractual, they are going to appoint in a contractual manner, my lord.
Last date came out application to receive appointment.
It's within a month. This is the appointment and this is the receive advertisement. This has been issued next 10. Within a month, shortly, my lord. Your lordship may permit me to move to the may be listed before honorable vacation judge, my lord.
So that actually difficulty that the matter is not listed for order.
No, on mention also your lordship, on memo also your lordship.
Without the brief, there is no system of passing order. In fact, I was thinking that I am hearing the matter on board, so I started dictating the order also. But it is not there; it is being mentioned.
My lord. That is the.
I think the phrase IA. This is a phrase IA.
Yes, fresh IA. I
have to be listed before the vacation.
Maybe listed that order your lordship may pass.
No, that order I am not passing, but you have to move the registry because the file is not there.
Your lordship, please. Because 13.5 I have filed.
So tomorrow for orders.
My lord.
Memo ta kinu pahuncha darkar can already.
No. The clerk has gone. You will file memo. My clerk has gone.
Item 12 minutes. Item 12 minutes.
Yes.
Item number 8. Item number 8. I will taken up after vacation for hearing.
Marshal.
Interim order to continue.
Item 12 minutes. I have taken consent of the petitioner minute. I am ill, so let it come after vacation minute.
My lord, I just
Open about 2 minutes. Yes, minute.
I am for the petitioner. Lordship. No, my lord, this 12th. I am the petitioner.
So Bahal is not happy.
No, my lord. Brief has been transferred.
So Ramdas Achari for the petitioner. Sir, you are the
Yes.
last month AG for the state. Sir, this is the market. For the number 2. And outside list for the starting purchase.
Let it be.
Sorry.
Let it Kubar. There you go, Kubar. Obrain there.
Applicants earlier. That is deleted from the cost list. case brief in view of arguments of Sir Acharya. Yes.
Item 17. Oh, blind.
Yes. Second.
Yes. Due to my illness, I have read.
Take a Mr. Put order. Not needed. For opposite party. But BSA, I don't think so. Consent is not.
Also, sir.
Correct. Consent is not. Also, sir.
Item 15, my lord.
Item 6, my lords.
This is of the public notice.
My lord, item 13.
Item 6, yes.
My lords, I am for the opposite party number 5 in this matter.
I have no objection, my lords. He wants instruction, he has not got the instruction. I have put the petition.
Sir, taking on the senior counsel, it's not from here. So, inform this. For the opposite party.
Number 5.
Right. Also, five submits that he the actual as provided receive instructions from the parties. On consent list on
14, sir.
those are.
May I, my lord? My lord, I love item 11.
20.
My lord, item 11.
I stop.
Okay. Item 0.
11, my lord. Yes, my lord. Behalf of Khiroth Kumar, short answer. PN Patnaik, Pritinanda Patnaik.
Right on the remote to get out for the petition. Again.
No, this is for the management of MCL.
Also, sir.
Pardon, lordship, item number 13. My lord, item number 13.
Yes, 13.
On behalf of Mr. Mishra, your lordship, I am appearing for the opposite number 4 and 5. My
You are,
senior,
which for the petition?
I am for the petition.
my seniority for
So Mahapatra.
Yes, ma'am.
So NN Mahapatra for the petitioner. Item clear. NN Mahapatra for the petitioner. Your name, sir?
SR Acharya, Satyaranjan Acharya,
Mr. S.R. Acharya on behalf of
Mr. Stitikan Mishra,
Mr. S. Misra for the OP
4 and 5.
4 and 5. On consent list on
14, sir.
14
My lord, see another matter.
Same opposite.
No, lordship, I'm for the petition, your lordship, in this matter.
Item 23.
My lord, counter file is region dot. I pray for an after vacation any date file the region.
Mr. S.R. Acharya for the 23. Mr. S.R. Acharya for the petitioner. Okay, sir. S.R. Acharya for the petitioner. 23. Stay for the state. So Rajdeep Pehura. Pradhan for the opposite party state. When counsel for the petitioner submits that he has instructions to file rejoinder on behalf of the petitioner. The matter may be adjourned. As prayed for list on
16, sir.
16/7/2025. Yes.
I am appearing for item number 16 on behalf of Mr. Rautray. I seek a short adjournment for filing.
Sorry, I just forgot your name.
Charvi.
Charvi.
Yes.
Charvi on behalf of SK Saman for the petitioner. Who is appearing for the state?
Myself.
Mr. Devaraj Mahanti, AGA for the opposite party. In the connected matter, the petitioner, you are appearing for the petitioner, or you are not sure?
No, not appearing.
Mr. Das.
Connected.
Similar matter.
Similar matter, but
That and.
And the connected matters.
when do you want?
Anytime.
After vacation date कर दियो तो?
16/7.
The Lord counsel for the petitioner.
Item
Just a second. I have to dictate order.
Item 16.
Just a second. I have to dictate. I have to continue dictating the order. The Lord counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment. As prayed for list on
16/7.
16/7/2025. Connected लिखंतु WPC 9968 of 2019 and 10243. In view of the order passed in the connected WPC 10190 of 2019. छोड़ते 25. Yes.
Item 18, madam.
It is better, I think, since so many persons are standing, better to go page wise because the others are not getting chance. Upon page 2 डाकंतु, page 1 पर इन डाकंतु. ये जल्दी करो तो कौन आएगा? सर अभी गोटे
Page 1.
Next.
Page 2. Item 18, madam.
2 to 18 next. 4 to 10. On item number कह दियो.
That.
Page 3 item 11 to 14.
Page 4. Item 15 to 19. Item 18, madam.
18, yes.
On behalf of Siddharth Swines, waiting to come after that.
Your name, sir?
Rakesh Kumar Singh.
Mr. R. Singh on behalf of S. Swine for the petitioner. Opposite party, Mr. DSGI. PK Padhi, DSGI for the opposite party. जहाँ ना देवे अपन mark करी रखंतु. परे देवे. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment as prayed for list on
17/7.
17/7/2025. Yes. Page 5.
Page 5. Item 20 to 24. 21, madam.
Yes, Mr. Ambaresh Bhoi for the petitioner.
I am for the purpose.
Mr. J. Pradhan.
Aye.
Mr. Misra's name or your name has to be given?
My senior name.
Mr. Samit Misra, senior advocate, along with Mr. J. Pradhan for the opposite party number.
Opposite party number 2 and 4, man.
Corporation.
Item 21, who is appearing for state?
Mr. Pradhan.
Rajdeep Pradhan, additional standing counsel for the opposite parties. 1 and 3, Mr. Samir Misra, along with Mr. J. Pradhan, senior advocate, along with Mr. J. Pradhan for the opposite parties. 2, 4, 5 and 6. 2, 4 and 5. 2, 4 and 5. 6 blank. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment as prayed for. List on
16/7.
16/7. Sub item re same order hobo in view of the order passed in the connected WPC 33747. Appearance saman rahe. List on 16/7/2025.
Page 6.
Hybrid August 22 to 24. Anyone appearing in items 22 to 24? Item 36, item 25 to 31.
My lord, item 26, I am appearing for the petitioner. My
Yes.
lord, senior Mr. Samir Misra is appearing for the corporation, my lord. Lord, I am seeking a adjournment. My lord, I have
26.
informed.
Just a second. When do you want, Mr. Mahanti?
My lord, any other day, my lord. After vacation, my lord, I have some personal difficulty today. I have informed my
So,
lord.
for the Mahanti for the petitioner.
My lord.
Item 26, Mr. Mahanti, who is appearing?
My lord, Mr. Samir
My lord, I
Misra.
am for the
State.
Sorry, Radhik.
Mr. Rajdeep Pradhan for the opposite parties. 1, 1, 16908. Mr. Samir Misra, Senior Advocate, along with J. Pradhan for the opposite parties 2 and 3. The learned after vacation zone. The learned counsel for the petitioner 6 adjournment as prayed for list on 207 20
My lord, in the meantime, interim order is there, my lord.
interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of hearing.
My lord, sub item also same, it's similar matter.
Sub item same order continue.
Item 27.
Order ta repeat kar de. And interim order ta continue kare likhna padega.
My lord, item 29.
Yes, Mr.
I am for the opposite party and my friend is here.
Yes.
Any day after vacation.
Mr. Joseph Subnath Mishra along with Mr. J. Mahanti for the petitioner. Mr. A.P. Rai for the opposite party.
I have filed an application for refund of the amount. That's why some early date minus after you.
3 week भीतर adjust करा हम सब पूरा. देखो जितने all जल्दी पढ़े करियो.
Second, third, fourth.
लिख ले. Appearance लिख ले. The Lord and Counsel for the petitioner submits that he has filed an IA for withdrawal of the amount. Refund or withdrawal? कौन सा term ta कौन?
Refund.
Refund of the amount. Refund of the Lord and Counsel for the opposite party. Number 1 submits that he shall obtain instruction. List on 3 सात 3 सात 20 25.
Item 30 also.
27, my lord.
30 Mr.
Friend is here.
Annapurna. Ms. Annapurna on behalf of N.K. Mishra for the petitioner, Mr. A.P. Rai for the opposite party.
My lord, there is an interim order.
On consent, list on date करो तो. Loss of sir. Interim order, Mr. Rai. Continue. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Item 27, my lord.
Yes, 27.
Item 27, I pray for reopening week, my lord.
Mr. Samir Kumar Misra, Senior Advocate, along with Mr. Jagajivan Pradhan, J. Pradhan for the petitioner. Mr. Rajdeep Pradhan for the ASC for the opposite party. The learned counsel for the learned instructing counsel, Mr. Pradhan, 6 for adjournment. As prayed. Yes. Any other matter? 25 to 31.
7, 32 to 38.
Item
34. Your lordship answer the petitioners.
Yes.
We need some time to file the rejoined revenue.
Kritika.
Yes, your lordship.
Kritika Banerjee. For your name is not there. On behalf of Ikeota. Ikeota for the petitioner. 32.
32 Ansuman.
Mr. Ansuman Chetty, additional standing counsel for the opposite party. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instructions. As prayed for list on 16/7 20 25.
Item 34, my lord.
34.
Item 34, I am for the petitioner, my lord. May be permitted to file rejoinder.
Mr. J. Barik.
My lord, M.R. Pradhan, my lord.
Mr. M.R. Pradhan. Mr. Dayananda Mahapatra, Senior Counsel, along with Mr. M.R. Pradhan for the petitioner. Mr. Samir Misra. This is item 34. 34 who is appearing, Mr. Mahan.
Ansuman.
Ansuman Sethi, additional standing counsel for OP 1 and 2. Mr. Samir Kumar Misra, Senior Advocate, along with Mr. J. Pradhan for OP number 3 and 4.
3 and
Anyone for the Ramya man? Other objective blank check. The learned instructing counsel, Mr. Pradhan 6 adjournment. Here too. As prayed for list on 17/7 20 25.
Item 35.
Yes.
I pray for
PK
Barik.
So PK Barik for the for the petitioner. 35, Mr. Mahanti.
Sethi.
Mr. Ansuman Sethi, additional standing counsel for the opposite party. The learned counsel for the petitioner. 6 adjournment as prayed for. List on 17/7/20, 25 interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
My lord, item 38. Today I have, my lord,
30.
38.
38. Acha, last one.
Today I have filed a counter affidavit.
Anyone present for the petitioner? Apanaka nada? Acha, you have power here, Mr. S.K. Jajodia for the petitioner, Mr. Amarendra Prasad Ray for the opposite party. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the opposite party that you have filed it in the registry.
My lord, and so
He has filed the counter on behalf of the opposite parties.
all the opposite party.
On behalf of the opposite parties in the registry today, copy has been served on the learned counsel for the petitioner. The counter shall be accepted, scanned copy be updated. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment to obtain instruction and file rejoinder if so advised. As read for list on 18/7/2025.
I beg pardon, my lords. In item number 29, my lords, your lordship has already adjourned the matter.
Yes.
The other side is there. I have made a mistake, my lords. There is no IA in the rejoinder, my lords. So it is ready for hearing. Pleadings are complete. In the rejoinder, I have mentioned that refund of
29 I sentence
again.
Submission record IA file Mr. Rai.
ମୁଁ ବି ଡାଉଟ ରେ ଥିଲି, ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମୁଁ କିଛି ପାଇନି, କପି ପଚାରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଆପଣ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଡାଉଟ ରେ ଆପଣ ମୋ ଅବସ୍ଥା ଟିକେ ଭାବନ୍ତୁ।
That is why it is my duty.
The simple method hochi je I will dictate the order when the matter reaches.
My lord.
Even Mr. Mahanti started appearing for so many counsel. Devraj Mahanti appears for all. We have reached item 35. Submission the matter is, the pleadings are complete.
Yes.
The matter is ready for.
In the rejoinder, later mention करके refund pay. That is my.
Yes.
I thought I filed anyway.
Yes.
Well, it's item 37.
Yeah.
We'll take another package.
Sorry, I forgot your name.
Abhilash Sadan.
Mr. A. Sadangi for the petitioner. Mr. Ansuman Sethi, additional standing counsel for the OP number 1. Mr. Pradhan, you are almost appearing in all matters today. Mr. Samir Kumar Misra, senior advocate, along with Mr. Jagjivan Pradhan, J. Pradhan for the OP number 2, 2 and 3. And 3, AC 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Amir Kumar Misra for 2 and 3. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment. Itare pleadings status rejoinder देना है। आज prayed for list on 18/7.
Page 8, 39, 40.
On the list.
Supplemental list. To be mentioned item 1.
You have got the memo? Yes. Mr. Roy, actually the memo could not be signed yesterday. So order dictate. Yesterday was 15, 14. Wrong file. Item 30 9580. Order to update करना है तो वेरी है on behalf of S.K. Mahanti for the petitioner. Tapesh Roy for opposite parties. Memo of date is filed by the learned counsel for the petitioner, indicating that the cause of action in the writ petition does not survive. This further stated, the petitioner doesn't want to pursue the writ petition in its present form and be permitted to withdraw. The memo is taken on stop, memo is taken on record. The writ petition stands disposed of as withdrawn.
Obliged, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Item 2.
If it's a GP Samal for the petitioner, Mr. Ray for the opposite party.
The matter was listed before my lord on 12 May, my lord.
Right.
Issue notice was issued to the opposite party number 3 and 4, my lord.
Yes.
AD has not returned. There is an interim order. So may April interim order may be continued after vacation, my lord.
Office note put up by the registry. Appearance excellent. Office note put up by the registry indicates that AD not returned from the OP number 3 and the returnable date was today, that is 15/5 aaj 15 ta 15/5/2025. The returnable date is extended. List on so barik pade apan pale. List on 4/7/2025. Registry shall verify if any shall update. Registry shall obtain the track consignment. Track consignment. And also shall verify the service return.
My lord asked me to take instruction whether any recovery has been made. And as per the instruction, no recovery has been made till now.
You will be happy. That is why Mr. Samal is rather today muted. He simply says notice not sufficient. Or like track consignment of India Post. Also verify the service by the next day. We put up note accordingly. এটা ଆପଣ actually order দেওয়ার দরকার নেই কিন্তু ଆପଣ মানে କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ବାଧ୍ୟ ହେଇକି ଗୋଟେ order ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡୁଛି.
There is an interim order, my lord.
Interim order date 12 May 2025 shall continue till the next date of hearing.
My lord, problem.
Item number 15.
That instruction you keep it with you.
Item number 15, your lordship.
15. Yes.
Lordship, I'm from the opposite party. We pray for some time. Let it come after vacation, your lordship. We have taken the consent of the petitioners as well.
So Mr. Samir Kumar Das along with Mr. P.K. Behra for the petition. I'm sorry, I forgot your name.
Meenakshi Jena, M. Jena.
Miss Meenakshi Jena. On behalf of Miss Samir of Senior Counsel. The learned counsel for the opposite party, 6. You have filed Wakalatnama?
We have not yet filed, but we'll file in.
It's that they have instructions to appear on behalf of the opposite party. As the learned senior counsel, who was appearing earlier, has unfortunately filed. As great for list of 18/7/2025. Ms. Jena shall file the appearance on behalf of the opposite parties in the meantime. Call Korantu serially.
That's Subaitam.
Subaitam, Ms. Jena, Mr. Behra, same order. Order repeat kar debe.
Yes.
Item 3.
3, my lords.
Yes.
In this case, challenging the so-called and termination. Notice was issued and everything is ready for final hearing on.
Caveat discharge in
3/5.
Why caveat is listed? Caveat
No, my lordship, my lordship kindly have a glance to the order dated 3/5 24 and 624, my lord. There was a direction to the director aims to examine.
Yes, you mentioned this. Actually, that I
Yes,
said,
and
but I
yes,
find that a caveat has also been listed at flag X.
Caveat
discharge
caveat the first होइतला से.
That will be infractions because the incumbent are having passed by this.
The examination report is to be submitted.
I 8259 of 2017. Who Paradeep Port Trust was the caveat. Though the opposite party has been served and appearing to Learned Counsel, Mr. P.K. Naik, the caveat petition is pending. Mr. Naik submits that due to inadvertence, the said the caveat was not discharged. Caveat was not mentioned to be discharged. The caveat stands discharged, IA is disposed of. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner refers to the order for the opposite party.
3-5
refers to order dated 26/5.
3/5/24 and
3/5/2024
and 26/2024
and 26 June 2024.
Yes, ma'am. The direction
wherein the Learned coordinate bench.
Yes,
the coordinate bench.
Yes,
Learned coordinate bench directed for examination of the petitioner.
Yes, ma'am.
Regarding disability, regarding physical disability by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhubaneswar.
On 3rd July 2024.
Thereafter, what happened?
The report has not been submitted.
You informed Mr. Mahanti, Aurobindo Mahanti, in a call.
Mr. Mahanti, but
today when the matter is called, no one is present on behalf of the AIIMS. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner as well as the Learned Counsel for the opposite party trust are requested to intimate Mr. Aurobindo Mahanti, who usually appears on behalf of the AIIMS. The appearance with the Lekina, Mr. J.K. Khuntia for the petitioner, Mr. P.K. Naik for the opposite party. Registry shall also intimate and hand over copy of the order stated.
26/2024.
26/2024. And order dated 3/5/2024 to the Learned Counsel, Mr. Aurobindo Mahanti, to enable him to obtain instruction. Yes.
And submit the report.
Because that's a difficulty. What is the status? Please stop. Petition for did na. Kalia ko time decision. 7/7.
Yes.
7/7 कोड़े पच्चीस. On consent list on 7/7 कोड़े पच्चीस. Interim order dated 8/3/2017. 8/3/2017 shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Item 4.
My lord, on last date, my lord directed me to take instruction what amount has been recovered. And the instruction, as per the instruction,
yes,
they have recovered only 26 lakhs 14,686 out of garnish amount 63 lakhs 80,290, and it was wrongly mentioned.
No, my lords, will humbly intervene over here, my lords. My lords, this amount.
I have already.
I have received it, my lords. My lords, this amount, what they are saying that has been recovered, does not include the amount that has been forcibly deducted from the partner's account, my lords. It comes to 10,09,000 so and so rupees, my lords, which we have stated in our writ petitions. But apart from that, my lords have rightly held this, my lords, in the order, wherein, my lords, 26 lakhs 2,258 has already been deducted after the garnish order has been issued, my lords. So that constant has not been included over here, my lords. So if getting that this memo is to be, or this calculation is to be allowed, let them, my lords, file a counter affidavit or produce it an affidavit, my lords.
Para 4 in that IA, para 4 of the order dated, the last order rather, 12th of May.
Yes.
Just kindly go through that. Subject to the petitioner furnishing.
My lords, I am furnishing it today, my lords. I have given the copy as well. I am giving the indemnity certificate if my lords permits.
Give it.
Before issuance of garnish order, that 10 lakhs were deposited. But after issuance of the garnish order for 63 lakhs, only 26 lakhs.
You have furnished 2 copies.
My lords, there are 2 partners to the firm, my lords. Petition number 2 and 3.
They are jointly and severally liable.
My lords, in terms of the partnership. I have not annexed the partnership deed.
You are furnishing this in the form of a bank guarantee.
No, my lords, as a certain, lords.
But you do not disclose to the court that what is the status of this guarantee. Because by writing on oath, of course, you have written it on oath.
My lords has the
Yes, Mr. Ray, will be satisfied with, because they have filed affidavit.
Petitioner should file a bank guarantee.
My lords,
only affidavit on that score only. That apart, my lord, the copy of read petition and this certificate just now handed over to me. I have not gone through the either the read petition or the certificate.
My lords would clearly recall that time given was 3 days. It was listed on 12th May.
No, there is shortage of time.
My lords, and we have
since Mr. Ray has received it today, that is how he has to mention that, because he will have some limitation as far as obtaining instructions are concerned.
My lords may post it to some other date in order to complete their pleadings or in order to give their submission.
The learned appearance section. Your name?
My lords, Ashutosh Das.
Mr. Ashutosh Das for the petitioner. Mr. Hon'Ble Bharni, Amarendra Prasad Ray for the opposite parties 2 and 3. Mr. Ray refers to the order dated.
My lord, I am the former opposite party Union of India. Rai, senior panel counsel.
A.K. Rai.
A.K. Rai, senior panel counsel.
So wherever Mr. Amarendra A.P. Rai is appearing, you appear. That will be more rhyming and proper. So in the other matter, the union is party.
He was associated with senior counsel Mr. N.K. Misra.
A.K. Rai. A.K. Rai for 1, A.P. Rai for 2 and 3. 2 and 3, yes. OP4 blank, OP4 notice any.
My lords, we filed the requisite yesterday, my lords. At 4 today, I have the receipt as well, my lords.
The learned counsel for the opposite parties 2 and 3, Mr. Ray, hands over. Okay, what is U.O.note?
That is it. Department under
for a note supplied by his clients dated 13/5/2025, indicating a recovery amount recoverable rupees 37,65,604. The said stock copy of the note has been furnished to the learned counsel for the petitioner.
Today in the court,
Today in the court, he submitted by Mr. Ray that the read copy and the copy of the indemnity certificate he has received in court today. He seeks further. He seeks adjournment to obtain instruction. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he files indemnity certificate in the form of affidavit sworn to by both the partners to the petitioner company, namely Sri Vijay Kumar Samal and Sri Jyotirmoy Dhar. The paragraph 5 of the which are identical is reproduced here. The taken on record. The UO note dated 13/5/2025 filed by the opposite parties 2 and 3 is taken on record. Indemnity certificate filed by the petitioner is taken on record. Scanned copy be updated. The learned counsel for the opposite party submit that apart from the indemnity certificate, the petitioner should furnish bank guarantee securing the amount of demand. The learned counsel for the opposite party, the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instruction. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that he has filed requisites for issuance of notice to the OP number 4 yesterday. Registry shall verify and proceed for issuance of notice to OP number 4.
My lord, regarding that 27 lakhs 68,000, but the actual payment was 26 lakhs. So the balance is not 27 lakhs.
But for that, you have to make proper calculation. Yes. Provide him copy. On the face of it, he shows that 26 lakhs is not reflected in that particular calculation. May be possible or may not be. But that is his response, immediate response as he has received. So you bring the calculation on record.
It is detail calculated here, my lord.
Yes.
Column wise.
I am not joining issues. Apano sangare bu chitha hisab karibar nahi more.
My lord.
So apano that it is his response that 26 lakhs have not been reflected. So you exchange your calculations and agree to a point that what is the demand and all these things. The matter is urgent. In view of the indemnity certificate being furnished by the indemnity certificate in form of affidavit before this court, furnished before this court, say account details are koti achi.
It's at connection 1.
The account of the petitioner, the farm nare achi na partner nare achi.
Partner ka nare achi, firm ka nare bachi.
Account as reflected accounts of the petitioner
at one
partner, petitioner oblique partner oblique wife of a partner as reflected in Annexure 1 with the following details. Page 27 or 28. Name of the account holders account number so and so, branch bank hochi HDFC bank. Apona ei jo 27 lakhs retain kuthre habo, in which account it has sufficient balance to retain that 27 lakhs.
Let's have to take instruction lots regarding
the crucial information you should have.
Lots. Milots, if Milots will pass it over, I'll just bring it.
Correct. Mr. Ray, please wait. Out order lekho tu, the indemnity certificate is maintained to the credit of this present proceeding by the registry. Pass over कर देता तो last order तक लिखा हो. Yes, next.
Item 5.
Mention any petitioner, Mr.
Item 5 will also last occasion directed the Tahsildar Mahapalapura to search for the file. case is not available in the office.
Yes.
So I feel it will be taken up after vacation. In the meantime, we'll try to source out the file there. But
Mr. Sanjeev Swain, AGA for the state, the learned AGA submits that he has received instructions regarding locating the file in the office of the Tahsildar Mahakala Poda.
pursuant to your lordship's
In
order,
encroachment case, encroachment appeal number 11 of 1987. Yes, instructions regarding for seeking time to locate. Encroachment appeal number 11 of 1987. He seeks further adjournment as read for list on 14/7.
my lord.
Item 7.
Kindly,
Our
your
dismissal-
order
Order
first
of
May.
dismissal is on challenge minutes. On the last occasion, there is a proposal that whether it can be minutes
First May order.
compulsory imposition of compulsory retirement with all retirement benefits minutes. And I have been directed to take instruction. So I minutes, there's some more time minutes to take.
Mr. S.N. Ponda for the petitioner, Mr. B.N. Udgasa for the opposite party.
Madam, may I submit some?
Yes.
Sir, this is more than 9 years.
Yes.
So I have already submitted all these things. In view of this, may kindly pray that urgent date, let it be finally decided.
Fine. Sir, this instruction, if Mr. Udgata will obtain, that will definitely finally decide the matter.
Supposing, by chance, supposing bank may say something.
Because you see, you have waited for 9 years. 9 years.
No, that's correct.
So waiting for 1 month, 2 months is
No, that is
a kind of what you call.
that I will bet whatever my lord says, but only my
It's
prayer.
a welcome grace for the petitioner. Been dismissed from service, he gets it. If I don't know. So be little bit more patient. You have been patient for 9 years, so a little bit more patient, so that it may we may arrive at a resolution.
Right.
Learned Counsel, one lesson for Learned Counsel for the opposite party refers to the earlier order. Dated 1/5/2025 and seeks further accommodation to enable him to obtain instruction on consent list on 15/7/2025. 7 तारीख 7/7/2025. 7 is a Monday.
Oh, sir.
7/7/2025.
Okay.
Item 9.
Sir H.M. Dhola for the petitioner.
This case relates to discontinuance of family pension matter.
Yes.
Despite repeated orders by lordships, the last 2 occasions, no counter is being filed by the state government.
Who is appearing for the opposite party? Corda?
No, I am for the municipality.
Government order is also on challenge.
So grant some time.
Mr. Swain, you are appearing here?
Yes.
Mr. Sanjeev Swain, AGA for the opposite parties 1 and 2. Mr. Polda, Abhimanyu Polda for OP number 3 and 4. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the challenge in the writ petition is for the order of discontinuance of the family pension. The petition
The whole thing depends upon the counter of the municipality. Because municipality said that the very appointment is void.
waiting for about 9 years. Counter has not been filed. It is expected by the next state, the counter shall be filed on behalf of the opposite party state as well as the municipality.
Yes.
Copy of the counter shall be served by
14/7.
Be served by 14/7. List on 21/7.
Item 10.
Item 10, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Patil, may be listed after.
You are Mr. Patnaik.
Mr. Patil, I am DP.
DP?
DP Paning.
Mr. D.P. Panigrahi, on behalf of Manas Patti for the petitioner.
After
Mr. Sanjeev Swami AGA for the state. Adjournment is sought for on behalf of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. This term 16/7/2025. As plate for list on 16/7/2025.
Item 11.
Sorry. Mention the 11.
Item 14.
Right. In my lord.
Yes.
And therefore the opposite parties. Your lordship last occasion directed me to file an affidavit. I have prepared the affidavit. I have sought the copy, but I have not been able to file it in the court, my lord.
Actually, Mr. Mishra,
My lord.
filing and preparing the affidavit is not that significant in this sense. Repeated orders have been passed to clarify the thing.
I have clarified.
Every time the matter is taken up, a new point is raised, which is not exactly in the context of the issue. So you will prevail over the opposite parties to file a proper affidavit. Because since you said that this breakdown service is not to be handed over to this person, so then who is handling that?
I have given a
The
detailed
court
affidavit.
is directed. So again, I am filing. So in fact, even if you take time, but please prevail upon the opposite party, they have to provide you proper instruction so that there will be effective deliberation.
My lord.
At times, actually, I mean, they don't understand.
My lord.
I don't attribute anything to anyone. I cannot say whether it is lack of trust. They don't understand what is being asked by the court.
Yes, sir.
I may pray once in a while. They are saying that we are not discharging the duty, some of us. Can any independent agency, meaning the state agency, labor officer,
let us trust them. Let us trust them as an authority, because you see, at times the lack of trust in the authority by by the court, maybe the administration, creates a problem. They have nothing personal. They have nothing personal. They are that.
Till yesterday, while they are working as a brakeman license porter, they unloaded the parcels from the train. They have sent the videograph to me. Apart from that, I cannot show anything.
No.
We are discharging the duty. They are consistently saying they are not discharging their duty. We have engaged somebody else.
In fact, what they are saying is a little bit more nuanced. They are saying that you are not supposed to do that work. So then who is doing that work? That's the question.
You are working according to them.
Their way of presentation is a little bit different.
Till 17, there is an interim order passed in my favor. Let them not be disengaged from their services.
Yes.
They have filed an application for vacation of stay. That is pending before your lordship. Now they are saying that we have engaged somebody else.
No, Mr. Mishra, to be fair with Mr. Mishra, he doesn't know who has engaged. So he would have answered it. I don't find any difficulty if the lawyer addressing, definitely if he knows it, he has instruction, he will address the court. So that is how he is seeking time. But my effort today is that to mediate with Mr. Mishra to tell him that to at least get the proper instruction so that the matter can proceed.
My lord.
So UK Samal for the petitioner, Mr. Vibhuti Bhushan Mishra for the opposite party. And counsel for the opposite party refers to the earlier orders dated last order.
Yes, my lord.
1st of May 2025. To submit that he has sought for instructions which are awaited. He seeks further adjournment. On consent list on 21/7/2025. Mr. Samal, sorry. ଆପଣ ଜୁଲାଇ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱିକ୍ ରେ ବେଶୀ ଆଗକୁ ଦିଆ ହେଇନି ସେ 3 ସପ୍ତାହ ଭିତରେ
ଜୁଲାଇ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱିକ୍ ରେ ଟିକେ କରନ୍ତୁ ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ଗୁଡା ପାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ପଇସା
7/7 କରିଦିଅ Mr. Samal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, reiterates his submissions that the petitioners have been working. There is an interim order in the year 2017 not to disengage them. And the opposite parties have filed IA for modification of the state order, which is still pending. এটা আপনাদের ডিস্ট্রিক্ট পূর্বরু যেটা লিখতে দেবে সাবমিশন
item 19,
Holder, I am to number 5.
So Paidara Sahu was here. I think he was also, I saw him yesterday. 19.
I am appearing for OP3.
Mr. Rajguru.
Yeah.
Both of you are Rajguru. Yes, Bhavani Sagar Rajguru and
I am
Rajguru.
I think I am the only Rajguru in this.
No, when he stood up, I was thinking that he's also for the Union of India. But then I realized that when you said that he is not appearing.
It's a gratuity matter actually.
Opposite party petitioner none, Mr. N.K. Rajguru. You are for the controlling authority or the OP3?
I am for
private
OP
opposite party.
Right, private.
Anyone for OP number 1 and 2?
Nobody is
Gratuity like Union appear karibe apna देखंतु कॉपी टा देखि दियो तले एपटे सार पाखरे इटा थियो देखि दियो आपन पर अछि देखि
पेमेंट ऑफ ग्रेजुएट I am happy.
Mr. Devraj Mahanti, AGF for OP 1 and 2. When the matter is called to grant further opportunity, list on
no sir.
9/7/25. Mr. Rajguru appearing for the petitioner submits that for the opposite party number 3 submits that the matter relates to
payment of
gratuity. Hearing may be expedited. But actually, Mr. Rajguru, what is happening after some time they will come and again mention. So maybe his name will be mentioned. Both GN Sahoo and Baidar Sahoo, they are appearing in this court, so they know. GN Sahoo is today. I think he has not taken. That's not come. Yes. The list date kept on.
No sir.
No sir.
Item 20.
Yes.
Item 18 was the manner.
हो सर
Item 18.
18 ଟା ଆକ୍ସନ ହେଇଯାଇଛି 17/7 ହେଇଯାଇଛି
18 रे आपण लिखिदेबे मिस्टर प्रसन्न कुमार पाड़ी हम मिस्टर दीपक गोच्छायत प्रसन्न कुमार पाड़ी डीएसजीआई दीपक गोच्छायत सीजीसी
Manner. Okay.
Yes.
Obligation.
Yes.
Item query.
Sorry?
Plus item 4 lordship had a query.
Just a second. Just a second. ଆପଣ କୋଟା ଆପଣ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରେ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଆଡ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ହଁ 4 ରେ ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ କଣ ନେଲେ
4 milots, the account number milots will find at page number 9 at serial number 4 milots.
1 second, I'll get that file. Page
9 milots, there is a tabular representation that shows the accounts milots. Item number 4 is the account.
Annexer kichhi hai nitre.
Milots annexure 1 HE milots the deduction milots regarding the deduction of the thing.
This is 11739. You are holding brief 11739. Or I am looking at different briefs.
Milots item 4 SNVD construction milots.
Correct. Read number is 11739.
Milots.
You want to refer to the page 9.
Number 9 of
yes.
the milots. There's a tabular representation.
Yes.
Milots would see serial number 9 milots. Now this account is milots being managed by SNVD.
Serial number 9 or serial number
4 milots. 4.
Yes.
4 milots. There's this account number milots. This account milots may be used in the
No, that was not the question to you. You are referring to the HDFC Bank accounts here. You have enclosed in Annexure 1. The question is, in those accounts, in which account there is 27 lakhs the demand, because the order is you have indemnified, fine. But even having that amount, but it should be there in the bank to the credit of this petition.
At this moment, I believe, there is no amount, with respect to that 27.
Then why you are seeking this interim order? If you do not have any amount, they cannot withdraw also.
We can seek instruction regarding that. That is the reason, we.
So can you get it today? Where, in which account you can keep it? That amount will be till, because now you have entered into a stage where both of you are disputing the amount debited or what you call the amount withdrawn by the authority or through the bank, and whatever you are saying that due towards to be paid. So in that scenario, unless you are yourself sure in which amount, how much money is to be left.
Or the petitioner may file bank guarantee for like amount.
What a bank guarantee instruction can no nothing. In other matters, they are filing bank guarantee.
Then, I'll seek instruction regarding the bank, because that will suffice, What?
So it will be listed tomorrow or today? Pass over.
I'll pass it over. I'll get the information.
You have to inform Mr. Ray.
I'll
present.
19th.
Item?
19, my lord.
19, Mr. Rajguru was present. 19 ne Baidar Sahoo ko nada lagi. Baidar Sahoo for the petition.
Petition.
Yes. Next.
No, sir. My lord, interim order may be continued.
Interim order dated so and so. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of hearing. Yes.
Item 20.
Yes.
I don't think short adjournment.
You are for?
I'm for the petition.
Your name, sir?
SK Panda, Suvarna Kesari Panda.
So SK Panda on behalf of SK Dalai.
On behalf of SK Dalai.
So Dalai is having all his associates to be SK. On behalf of the petitioner, Mr. Devraj Mahathi, AGA for the SK Panda for SK Dalai election. Yes.
Interim order में continue.
He is making written state for SK.
Equally, I'm clerk भी SK.
Devraj Mahathi, AGA for the opposite parties 1, 2, 4. No one else is appearing. Tarot Kumar, Mr. S.K. Baran, they are not there. For relation to the learned counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment as paid for list on 15/7/2025. Interim order dated
Interim order 9.
9. The order date 2/9/2021 shall continue till the next date of hearing. Call Karo.
Item 22.
But Mr. Suvarna Kesari, are you sure that the cause of action still survives?
My
What is
lord,
the order
my-
issued 10/5/2021?
FR फाइल करिया पे कि हम अगेंस्ट ऑर्डर रही है ये सरप्लस
से जो माने एफआईआर फाइल हेनी
से
माने सेटा स्टे हेची
हाँ.
अच्छा ठीक अछि
Collector has directed to lodge a FIR
right,
as
right.
well
That
as
has been
discovery.
stayed but without following due procedure how can we
Right.
direct?
Only allegation of principle of violation of prisoners.
Next call Karantu.
Item 22.
May it please your lordship, I am appearing through VC minute.
You are Mr. Sahoo, Mr. Ramesh Chandra Sahoo.
Sir,
For the petitioner.
Sir.
Mr. Anyone present? Opposite party none? Yes. What do you want, Mr. Sahoo?
वो तो सर रेडी थिली कर देवी वाली अदर साइड नांती
बीसीरे के कोर्ट को आसिया कथा फॉर फिजिकल हियरिंग
सर practically more difficult हो चु I lost my hip it has been replaced 5 times I have undergone operation and in the process virtually I am confined to home so all matters I am doing VC so far as High Court matters are concerned.
The learned counsel for the petitioner is present. None appears for the opposite party. List on. Date करूँ 14/7.
Sir, say interim order में kind.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Oblige, sir.
Yes, please.
Item 24.
Yes.
Actually, 20 times.
Yes, yes.
Interim to continue. Let's
Yes, it is continuing.
Let's
I'm object good.
That's very good.
24 anyone present? Posting continue.
VC matter. SC for OP number 1 and 2 in item 24. I am in VC matter.
Your name, sir? Achha, Rajdeep, you are there. So you are surrounded by haze. You are in a hill station.
No, my lord, my screen is broken. That's why, my lord. It is coming blurry, man. Blurry.
Petitioner none, Mr. Rajdeep Pradhan. For the opposite parties 1, 2 and 3, OP4. Who is appearing for OP4? OP4 none. List on. 17/7. Yes, next.
Item 25.
I am for the petitioner on behalf of SK Misra.
Your name, sir?
C. Mohanty.
So C. Mohanty. Chinmay Mohanty.
Charchit Mohanty.
Charchit Mohanty. So Charchit Mohanty for the on behalf of SK Misra for petition.
What is time like and he
Who
permitted?
is there? Opposite party blank, none. Sir Rajdeep Pradhan AC for OP number 1. OP is opposite party 2 to 2 TO2 then 2 to 11 none. List on. None. The learned counsel for the petitioner is present. None appears for the opposite parties 2 to 11. List on. 18/7. Yes, next.
Item 28.
28 state appeal, state writ petition. So Pradhan, you are there. 28.
Yes, my lord, item number 28.
Now your voice is breaking. Please, the screen is broken. You are looking hazy. So the voice is breaking.
My lord, now I am audible properly. Am I audible properly now, my lord?
Oh, your colleagues are unable to.
My lord, in this case, my lord, I need to file my written submission. I need some time, my lord. Let the matter be posted after vacation. I will file my written submission.
My lord, I am appearing from Noida VC. The case is posted today for hearing, my lord. WBC number 33,000.
You agree for a date post vacation.
Sir, it is gaita নষ্ট হয়ে যাবে হুজুর নষ্ট হয়ে যায় my lord গাড়িটা
ଆପଣ କଲେଣି କଣ ଘୋଡା ହେଇକି ରହିଛି ନା କଣ ଅଛି ସେଥିରେ
କିଛି ଘୋଡ଼ା ହେଇନି ବୋଧେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ଘୋଡା ତ ଗଲାଣି it is now over.
ସାର୍ ଗଲାଣି କଣ କରିବୁ ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ହଜୁର my lord ଟିକେ ଦୟା କରନ୍ତୁ my lord
ଆଉ ଯେ ସେଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏବେ ହିୟରିଂ ସାରି ହବନି କରିକି Because by opening a brief, I cannot conclude today. You must understand, today is the last working day effectively. I don't prefer to open briefs and just leave it there halfway, midway. Effective hearing, as far as my limited humble understanding is that I'll try to close it.
My lord.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସେ ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଡିସମିସ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା CMPL ସେଇଟା ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସମାନ ରିଲେଟେଡ୍
no related ଅଛି ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇ କେସରେ ଆମେ ଅପିଥିଲୁ ହଜୁରଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
ସେ CM appeal ଆପଣ see that CM appeal you are saying you are ill, the petitioner, the lawyer did not appear, you file that CM appeal, you restore it.
My lord, ଏଇ କେସଟା ସେମାନେ ଆଗ ଅପିଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅପିଲ କରିଛି.
But you said that this is connected with that your writ petition which has been dismissed for non-prosecution. You have filed CM appeal. I think it will be taken up tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Both will be posted to same date. You take a date.
Yes, my lord.
But date करो तो. दार करो गाड़ी ने घोड़ा पे गलाने 3 वर्ष लगा जल्दी करो. 4 साल. 4 साल signature कर लो. ठीक है जी. The learned counsel for the petitioner, the learned AC for the petitioners, seeks adjournment to obtain instruction. The learned counsel for the opposite party, Mr. Rabindranath Baring, being present at the virtual court, High Court of Orissa at Noagarh, addresses arguments. He submits that it is what vehicle?
The vehicle.
The four-wheeler is a mini truck or what?
Big highway. Highway got a big highway. Highway.
In highway, you are carrying this paddy.
Paddy.
The vehicle is exposed to sun and rain, and the hearing may be expedited on consent list on 4/7/2025. Yes, 4/7, Mr. Barik, Mr. Pradhan. I hope both of you hear me.
My lords.
Yes.
Yes, my.
Yes, next.
Item 31.
Lordship, we received the compliance order for this.
No one is present.
Petitioner.
The Mr. Petitioner. Anyone present for petitioner? No, he is saying that it has been complied with. So I can mark your presence, take instruction and pass it over.
Yes.
Can you remain till after recess? Or I will mark your presence after recess. Let him obtain instruction and come back and tell the court master.
Your Lordship, people to after vacation is file compliance affidavit. So that's
Have they substituted? Any idea? Have you received copy of the substituted petition?
no.
Achha. So S.N. Mahapatra on behalf of D.R. Mahapatra for the petitioner, Mr. Ansuman Sethi, additional standing counsel for the opposing party. The learned counsel for the petitioner refers to the order dated 8/4/2025. Counsel on behalf of the petitioner, the order dated 8/4/2025, and submits that adjournment may be granted to bring on record the present incumbents. Further adjournment. Because adjourned earlier because the opposite party are no more there in those posts. The learned AC submits that he has instructions regarding compliance of the order. On consent list on 30. Yes.
Lords, may kindly post it to tomorrow, Lords. We'll seek information, Lords.
Okay.
But the fact
The order say, I think that order, since you do not, maybe they are not, your clients are not sure what they want to do.
No, my lords, I'll just inform my lords. My lords, all the accounts have been frozen, lords. Every account has been frozen.
Correct, sir. That is how you have approached the court.
Yes, my lords.
But if all your accounts are having a total amount of 50,000, I'm giving example.
My lords.
So freezing or defreezing makes no difference.
My lords.
So by decreasing the account, how much amount you'll get from those accounts? 50,000.
Lots.
So that is how the second question. I mean the question that whether you are having enough balance in those accounts,
Lots. That
or you are simply filing affidavit indemnifying.
No, my lords, I'll confirm it tomorrow, my lords, if my lords would post it tomorrow.
So order ta certificate chhad do. On consent list on 15 16 5 20 25 for orders. Even if the authorities want to extract any amount of those banks or whatever accounts of the persons, the total amount will not satisfy. So that way also you have to look at it. Yes, next.
Item 33.
Not here. I have not yet received.
You are paying
No.
Not yet something.
That's not a file counter affidavit is only issue is not the order has been passed. Violation of principle of natural justice.
I am for the bank only. 5 and 6.
Bank.
I am 36.
33. Sabitri counter file. Since long, Lord, yes.
No, sir. I have missed it.
No, go check. Bharati. Answering of you, no, he has nothing, sir. That part has already no. Interim order country.
36.
Here in this case, where no, technical things are the current. I'm happy that छुट्टी ना
After recent change,
regional file
is stated at the bar, but the Lord comes to that means concept of prediction of it. The matter should be heard finally. On consent list of
Also, sir.
intermediate to
assist.
Oh, she correct. Intermediate to
Hospital continues to the next step.
Ask me what's it.
See is next.
39.
Reading completed your last paper. Persuram Ponda.
The matter be heard finally on consent list on 17/7/2025 जोथरे प्रीडिंग कंप्लीट अछि सेटा आगो को दियो जोटा को ऑर्डर्स अछि कि कोजन जल्दी सेटा पछ को दियो ତୋର 7, 20, 25. Yes, next.
Item 40.
40 ଟା mention କରିଥିଲେ? ଆଉଥରେ କଲ୍ କରିଦେବେ ନା କଣ? Date is not a party. ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ 13 ଟା ମୋର item 13 ସେଥିରେ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ
40 ରେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ପିଟିସନର ନନ୍ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି ନନ୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟର
Sorry, sir.
Gary sir. Mr. Behra, item 13.
item 13 ଟା
Good.
Lordship adjourned
ଆପଣ appear କରୁଛନ୍ତି କାହା ପାଇଁ?
contemner ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେତେ କଣ contempt ରେ ଆମେ ଅଛୁ
You are for the opposite party.
opposite party
ତାହେଲେ କେବଳ contempt ରେ 13 ରେ connected ଅଛି CORTC 2483 of 2019.
ମାଇଲ
appearance add କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ opposite party ଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ Mr. Sasivosan Jena along with Mr. Satyajit Behra.
ମାଇଲ
This appearance होगा.
ମାଇଲ
Date you will get from the court master.
14/7.
14 sir.
Item 34,
34.
34, I am for the opposite part number 5.
Before ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା ବୋଧେ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
17/7
ପ୍ରଥମରୁ ବୋଧେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା ଠିକ ଅଛି 34 ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଡ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ appearance. ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ appear କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
OP number 5.
କଣ ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କର?
Escape online.
SK Pallai for OP5. 34 SK Pallai for OP5. So K Pradhan and Mr. SK along with Mr. SK Pallai. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. पास ओवर कुछ रहला